this lesson, we're writing an equation in point-slope form. The format of the equation is always y minus y1 is equal to m, which is the slope, times the quantity of x minus x1. So you're going to say, well, where's y1 and x1? They're just going to be giving you 1 point. So for the first problem, this is my x point and this is my y point. So I'm going to follow the format. Remember, you must always have, when you're done, you should have this y in your equation and you should have this x there to be in the correct format. So now I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, the first y has to be there. So here's my y minus, and here's my point, 3, is equal to, the slope is 4 times the quantity. My x must be there. And notice it's minus my x1, which is a 2. So when both of your points are positive, your x value and your y value, what's going to happen is you are going to have 2 subtraction signs. So this is the equation in point-slope form. So now let's go and we're going to write it now where we actually have a negative value and see how does that change what we're going to be doing. So here is my x1 and here is my y. All right. So again, we know you have to have your y. So y minus y1 is and your y1 is 4 equals, the slope is 2/3 times the quantity. So notice if I do x and you're supposed to put a subtraction sign minus a -1, this is what it would look like. You would not have it written that way. The correct format that they want you to write is when you see that you have a subtraction sign and a negative sign together, instead of writing a subtraction sign, we're going to change it to a plus sign. So let's do y minus 4 is equal to 2/3 times the quantity of x. Remember, you add the opposite, so it is plus 1. And there is your equation in point-slope form. And last but not least, here we have x is 1 is a negative and y1 is a negative and the slope is a negative. So many negatives. Note not to worry. We're going to follow this format. So y, and it should be minus, but since y is a negative, I'm going to put plus 3 is equal to, here we put our slope in of a -5 times the quantity. We always have our x there. Again, since the x is negative, we are not going to put a minus sign. We're going to put a plus 2. So the equation in point-slope form is written just like that. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.